for this toy telephone, what we require? We require two cups. Okay. One will be your receiver, another will be through which you will talk. Okay. And we need to connect it with wires. Okay. So the requirements are two plastic cups with hole and a thread, and we have to make an arrangement like this. Clear? Okay. Once the arrangement is made, what we have to do? The telephone is ready to use. Now you can check whether it is working or not. Yes, this is, and Ayush, can you talk with each other using that?
Yes, sir. Hello. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you listen? Now you talk. You tell something.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Is it loud and clear?
We are hearing different sounds due to the different vibration of the rubber band.
As you can see over here, different strings are producing different sounds due to the difference in vibrations.